Your next customer is probably already on LinkedIn. The question is whether you can find them fast enough. In today's video, you're going to learn how to use the seamless Chrome extension to find verified contact information directly from LinkedIn, company websites, and Gmail. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more prospecting and sales automation training. And if you want to try Seamless for free, click the first link in the description below. Let's jump in.
If I have showcased the Chrome extension, so I want to do that really quickly here as well. So I'll go ahead and click into a contact on LinkedIn, and you can see here I have this little tab over here on the right. When you download the Chrome extension, this tab will show up. It'll show up on websites. It'll show up on LinkedIn and on social. It'll show up in Gmail, across your CRM as well. But if I click to open this, you can see this is going to show Kathy Amos at SmartBank. So we've identified, I've already found Kathy Amos at SmartBank, but if I didn't, it would show the opportunity to research Kathy, and I could do that. I could get to her information from here. So it's going to know that we are on Kathy Amos's, based off of her URL, we're on Kathy Amos's LinkedIn page. The reverse append in our system, we understand that based off of this is Kathy Amos, and then we're able to share back information from Seamless around Kathy, her persona information, her contact information, her company information. So obviously LinkedIn has a lot of great information directly already in the system, but if you want a co-pilot to act as your B2B data intelligence, we can provide that with the Seamless Chrome extension as well. So you can go to different pages as well. There you go. It was taking a while. For some reason, that page took forever to load. So once that page loads, it will then recognize, okay, our URL has switched, and now I'm on Kelly Fowler's page, who's Senior VP at SmartBank as well. So I can go ahead and research Kelly Fowler. So I can, across the web, as I move across the web, go find these contacts. So there's Kelly Fowler's email. You can see here, same thing, confidence score. We have an accept all with a high confidence score. I can go into another one too, just for reference. That one moves over here. Cynthia, so there's Cynthia, Chief Operating Officer at SmartBank. Click find her. So as you can see how quickly you can move here. I'll go ahead, since we're talking about SmartBank, I'll go ahead and Google SmartBank. We'll jump into their website here. And if I jump into a website, as soon as that page loads, you can see here SmartBank. So we have 464 employees at SmartBank. A couple of those I've already found. I can also find SmartBank. I can save SmartBank to my companies, so that way I have this if I want to look more specifically there. I can find others. So here's the president and CEO, the vice president. I can research them as well. So now I have good coverage on SmartBank. So if I wanted to do an outreach campaign dedicated to SmartBank, I could do that as well. If I'm going more account-based marketing, I could go from website, I could research here, I could find all these contacts, and then I could execute a campaign specifically for my target company or set of target companies. So across the web, whether it's social, whether it's websites, you can utilize Seamless as well and be your business-to-business data co-pilot. So as I mentioned, this also works on a couple different channels. You can leverage it on Gmail as well, but I know we're coming up on just about 30 minutes. I was hoping to keep it ideally under 15. Looks like I didn't hit that, but I wanted to definitely keep it under 30. So I'll go ahead and stop things right here so you guys can wrap up. But hopefully this was helpful, and look forward to continue building Seamless and supporting your sales prospecting and lead generation and outreach. So thanks, everybody.
Now you know how to prospect anywhere on the web with the Seamless Chrome extension. In the next video, you're going to learn how to connect Seamless to your CRM, workflows, and API and sales tech stack. Subscribe to the channel and watch the final lesson.